What's up guys, it's NPA here, back with another LEGO video. And this time having the Heckler & Koch MP7A1 Submachine Gun Mark II. So this is an upgraded version of the Mark I, which I just uploaded on YouTube today. So as you can see, this is just a modified version of the first version. So it has the exact same feature, which is this foldable foregrip, sights, foldable sights, rear sights and front sight, mag catch, trigger, and stock, which is retractable. About the modifications, the most obvious thing that you can see is the color coding. So I've been making my LEGO gun completely black for a really long time, and I think that is boring and I want to change it a little bit. So I did add some gray pieces to the gun to make it look more authentic and more modern, and I think this turned out really well. And so let's talk about some of the new features of the gun. So we already talked about the color coding. Also you can see some gray pieces in the mag. So some of the new things are the magazine release is changed the way it works, so makes it way smoother and makes it kind of hold the mag a lot better. And I also add this inverted piece, so it kind of blends in with the with this grip. It looks way much better. Also I did make a red dot sights for the gun, so it actually looks pretty cool. The design is by Nick Brick. His channel is down in the description. Also I did add the sling mount right here. If you didn't notice, this is just a small feature, and did add some gray here and there to make the gun look way more authentic. So as you can see, the gun doesn't change much, but about the appearance, it looks like a little bit more futuristic. So that's enough talking. Let's fire this thing. Next is testing up reliability. So we're gonna dump the entire mag, see if there is any jams. Okay, I put, I don't know, 6 rounds in the mag, and we're gonna be dumping this mag, see how many jams we got. So we got 0 jams. Yeah, this gun is powerful and reliable. Gotta say, really proud of this. I'm already proud of the original MP7, and this even makes me feel way much comfortable, because when holding this in my hands, I feel really authentic, feel like I'm police or sort of like kind of terrorist. Just feel really authentic. So let's try some reloads, don't we? Yeah, that feels really nice. So in conclusion, this gun doesn't change a lot from the original one. Have all the features from the Mark I and have some change here and there. Makes the gun really nice to hold. I even changed the shape of the grip, so feels more comfortable. Yeah, so gotta say the color coding was the most important change that led to this Mark II. So I think that's it for today's video, and NPA is gonna be back. So just for a sake, I'm gonna be viewing this gun a little bit more, to let you guys see all the interesting features we have on the gun right here. Some of the interesting features. So one more thing, the tutorial will be out on 500 subs, I think. Yeah, I'm currently on 430 subs. Yeah, I'm working on the AKS74U tutorial, and I'm thinking I'm gonna be uploading it on Sundays. I don't know, but yeah, that's it. I'm NPA and gonna be back with another video.